Gentlemen, welcome to Charlotte, where the local time is approximately 9:10. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened at all times. And make sure that the aisle is clear until we are parked at the gate. The captain will then turn off the fasten seatbelt sign when it is safe to stand. Use caution when opening the overhead compartment, since articles may have shifted during flight. The use of cell phones is now permitted. If you are connecting here in Charlotte, we recommend you proceed directly to your connecting gate. Please check the airport monitors or go to usairways.com from your phone. For more day of travel, visit aa.com/findyourway. Valet tag bags may be retrieved plainside. Your checked bags will be transferred on to your next flight or taken to baggage claim here in Charlotte if this is your final destination. Please refrain from smoking until you have reached a designated smoking area. See an agent inside the terminal for local smoking ordinances in effect at this airport. On behalf of US Airway Express, American Airlines, and our One World Alliance partners, we thank you for traveling with us today and hope to see you again soon.